In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create campaign in Klaviyo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up and send a basic email campaign from start to finish, even if you're brand new to the platform. First, once you're logged into your Klaviyo account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see an option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. This is the main area where all of your one-time email sends live, so any promotional blasts or announcements you create will be managed here. Next, we're going to start a new campaign. In the top right corner of the Campaigns page, click Create Campaign. Klaviyo will ask what kind of campaign you want to create. For this tutorial, choose Email. This tells Klaviyo that you're setting up a standard email campaign, not SMS or any other type. Now it's time to name your campaign and confirm the type. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to you and your team, something that will help you recognize it later in your reports. Once you've entered the campaign name, click Continue to move on. The next screen focuses on recipients. Under the Send To dropdown, select the list or segment of subscribers you want to email. This might be your main newsletter list or a more targeted segment. Take a quick moment to make sure you're choosing the right audience, because that impacts who receives the message. When you're confident in your selection, click Continue to Content. Now we'll set up the subject details. Here, fill in your subject line, the preview text that appears next to or below the subject in inboxes, and your sender information, such as the sending name and email address you want recipients to see. Aim for a subject and preview that are clear and enticing, and make sure the sender info is recognizable so people know it's you. When everything looks good, click Continue to Design. On the Design step, choose how you want to build the email. Click Drag and Drop, then pick a layout from the template library. You can start from a simple layout or a more designed template, depending on your needs. Once the template loads, customize your content in the editor. Update text, images, buttons, and links so everything matches your brand and message. Take your time to double-check spelling, links, and mobile responsiveness. When you're happy with the design, click Save and Exit in the top right. You'll now return to the campaign overview. Click Continue to Review. On the review page, Klaviyo shows a checklist. Make sure all the items have green check marks, confirming that your recipients, content, and settings are properly configured. Finally, when everything has been reviewed, click Schedule or Send. For this walkthrough, choose Send Now, then confirm by clicking Send. Your email campaign will be sent to your selected audience, and you're all set.